I like the way you look at me every time you first come into my mind. I like the way you fit perfectly on my side.
He's a man of God that the Lord directed to partner with me to move forward in my life. And it was somebody who was a friend for years, and so we had an established friendship where he had seen me in all my different moods and hairstyles and hair colors.
I've always wondered whether or not she would be my wife, but I wasn't sure if she would be willing to go into ministry with me, because I had already decided to be a pastor. And just being there with her, you know, praying with her and everything, you know, God just started to open up some things to the both of us. And he started to tell me towards the end of the fast that, you know, I could go ahead with her.
But when I got in the car, I saw that there was a picnic basket. I was like, woo! Picnic in the night. Not bad. So, we went to the boardwalk and we had wine and chocolates and all of that. And the police came and told us we had to leave.
We had to leave. Oh God. So I said, God, I'm not going to be deterred by that. I came with a plan tonight, so I'm gonna do it.
So we're talking and going home and, you know, still having the ice cream because he knows that I love Haagen-Dazs ice cream, so he made sure to have that there. And we reached home and he said, you know, the night is not gonna pass without him doing this.
I took out the ring box and then I got down on my knees and I proposed to her, and I did not know her ring size. I put the ring on her finger and the ring fit, and she said yes.
I like the way you hold my hand and bury your head in my chest. Every time you're tired, every time you want to rest. I like the way your face looks when you sleep. I like your legs crossed over me. I like how you always want me to win. I like how you touch my skin. I like you. Oh, I like you. How else do I tell you?
Yes, everybody knows Kema. Kema reflects a little bit of mommy, a little bit of daddy. Lisa reflects daddy. I reflect mommy. My father used to write poetry, love songs, Dennis Brown, love to dance. You know, daddy had a move, but I won't demonstrate it today.
My friend said that Kema is very energetic and assertive, and that is so true. And Jason is like the opposite. Not that he's not assertive, you know, but he's assertive in his own way. And you know what's gonna happen? You guys complement each other so much, because Kema is gonna take a little bit of the calmness, and Jason gonna pep it up a little bit, you know.
I've seen where both of you have changed and come and, you know, complement each other very well. And it has happened, and even though tomorrow you might wonder, but you see, because of the intense fellowship, you'll be secure in what you have taken part in. So I leave the toast floor with Kema's favorite song. If loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be white.
I like you.